Hi, in this video I'm gonna be walking through how to enable or disable double tap to turn on off your Samsung Galaxy display or screen. Go to your settings. In settings, go down and just tap on advanced features. Tap on motions and gestures. And here you will find this option, double tap to turn on screen and double tap to turn off screen. To enable double tap to turn on or off your screen, just toggle this switch on, these two options, and now on. When your phone is off, you can turn on your phone by double tapping on your display. And let's unlock my phone, and the same way you can double tap on your display to turn off. And to disable this option, just toggle the switch off to disable. Thanks for watching.